we face today in Kenyan politics, I will say today here without contradiction, with utmost respect, Kenyan politics is based on arrangements and programs where political parties negotiate for what they take to their counties and areas. We have decided that as a community and as Kenyans, we are also going to set up our own political party. We are going to produce our own candidate who will negotiate with the president and all the other people who are running for political office in this country. And that candidate is none other Fred Okengo Matiang'i. Tumusimamishe na yeye atafute urais.
Sisi kama jamii ya Omo Gusii, while we support you as our CS and as our SG na viongozi wengine wote katika serikali, sisi tungependa kuambia hata kama tuko shuleni, sisi pia tuko na kijana wetu wa hapa nyumbani ambaye tunampaka mafuta. Tunataka akuje kukutana na President William Ruto unyo kwa unyo 2027, anaitwa Fred Matiang'i.